Imagine this, you're applying to a top university abroad for a master's. Only 10% of the applicants make it there. But here's the twist, nearly 35% of those applicants already meet the required academic cutoffs. So the real question becomes, if so many students are already qualified, how does a university decide who gets the real admit? Simple, your profile. Not just your test scores, not just your grades, your entire profile, everything that you have built outside the classroom. So what is a student profile? Your profile is not just your GPA, that's only the starting point. It's everything you have done outside the classroom. Your co-curriculars, extracurriculars, projects, competitions, community work, internships, all the things that reveal who you are beyond marks. A strong profile does one thing exceptionally well. It shows the universities that you are already on a trajectory for success. When they see that you will thrive with or without them, they want you on their campus. But here's the problem. Most students want a strong profile, but they hit these three roadblocks. Firstly, they don't know what to focus on. They end up doing random activities that colleges don't value or generic activities that fail to set them apart. The second thing is they don't know how to begin. They feel overwhelmed, unsure how to structure their journey, and get stuck in planning instead of taking the first meaningful step. Lastly, they cannot prioritize. With exams, academics, and multiple commitments, they scatter their time across low-impact tasks instead of a few high-valued ones. Sounds familiar? That's where we come in and make the process 10x easier. When you enroll with AdmitAbroad, the first thing you do is fill a detailed form. This gives our counselors a complete understanding of your aspirations, strengths, and current profile. Then the real magic begins. Your counselor identifies the right master's program and specialization for you based on your interests, strengths, and long-term career scope. Once you and your counselor align on a program, we build a customized profile building plan designed to differentiate you from thousands of other applicants. Every plan we create is structured around a few core pillars, each designed to showcase initiative, depth, and curiosity. Here's how it unfolds. Step 1. Academics. We focus on curiosity, the right standardized tests, online courses, and research work that matches your interest. Step 2. Skill building. With your academic base set, we create a roadmap so you can develop the skills required to work in strong, impactful projects. Step 3. Impactful projects. Apps, experiments, research papers, blogs, or community initiatives. The kind of work that shows creativity, initiative, and real ability. Step 4. Internships and volunteering. Then we layer in opportunities that add maturity and real-world exposure. We identify openings, track deadlines, and help you with the application process. Step 5. Extracurriculars with depth. We help you choose 1 or 2 meaningful long-term commitments instead of 10 disconnected activities. Step 6. Digital portfolio. And finally, we teach you how to present all your achievements in a clean, effective digital portfolio. Once your plan is live, you meet your counselor every 2 to 3 weeks. These sessions keep you on track, help adjust priorities, highlight new opportunities, and ensure you progress without burning out. And we don't stop at planning and tracking. We help you execute. From writing internship cover letters to brainstorming your LinkedIn content calendar, we support the operational work too. Profile building isn't just about perfection. It's about starting early, choosing the right direction, and taking consistent steps forward. With AdmitAbroad, that journey stops being confusing and becomes structured, strategic, and genuinely exciting. When your profile finally reflects who you can become, your dream university stops feeling like a dream and starts looking inevitable. If you're serious about building a profile that gets you into your dream university, book a free consultation with us.